Are you tired of just getting by, dreaming of a life where money works for you, not the other way around? Good. Because today, we're breaking down how real wealth is built. No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just strategy, the illusion of safety. Let's talk about saving. It feels responsible, right? You see the number in your account grow and think, I'm doing the right thing. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Inflation is slowly eating away at that money, that shiny new gadget you almost afford today. In a few years, your savings might not cover half of it. Saving is like a stagnant pool. It looks calm, but it doesn't grow. Ever tried swimming in a pool that never gets refilled? Exactly. Now picture a river, constantly moving, expanding. That's investing. But before you dive in, let's talk about the fear that holds most people back, the fear of losing money. But what if I told you the bigger risk is not investing at all? While your savings quietly shrink, something powerful is happening elsewhere, the power of growth. It's called compounding, the money version of planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree that produces even more seeds. Over time, even small, consistent investments can snowball into serious wealth. And no, you don't need a Wall Street degree or a fancy suit. Today, investing is more accessible than ever. You can start small, learn as you go, and build confidence. The key: know your risk tolerance. Understand the tools: stocks, bonds, ETFs. It may sound like alphabet soup now, but it's a language you can absolutely learn. And the potential payoff: life-changing. But wait, what if you need that money sooner? The strategic approach. Here's the secret. It's not about saving or investing, it's about both. Use saving for short-term security, an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's your safety net. Once that's in place, it's time to make your money work for you. As a young adult, time is your greatest asset. The earlier you invest, the more powerful compounding becomes. More time equals more growth. Imagine your future self financially free, traveling the world, buying your dream home, all because you made smart moves today. But the clock is ticking. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. So while saving provides security, investing is the engine that drives true wealth. Now that you know the difference, are you making the most of your hard-earned cash? Click the end screen now to watch. Are you wasting your hard-earned cash? You might be making money mistakes without even knowing it. Your wealth building journey starts here.